Hey everybody, what's happening? Son of a Silverstacker here. In today's numismatic news and information for the 8th day of September 2022, I'd like to welcome you over to APMEX. We're going to check out those live spot prices. However, before that, I'm going to welcome you to two things here. First one is a good morning to you with Tiny Numismatics number 227. That's 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time, 6:30 a.m. Pacific. Hope to see you early birds there. Now, this evening at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, 5 p.m. Pacific, we got the Thursday night live auction. That's going to be good stuff. Now, over here to APMEX, looks like gold is up 50 cents at 1727.70. Silver up 20 cents to 1884. Platinum up $11.50 to 890.20. And palladium up 27.20 to 2091.50. Now, let's remember this number here, 1884. Okay, that is very important. 1884. That's a current price of silver. Now, let's head over here to coinnews.net, 1884. The title of this article is U.S. Mint increases prices on silver coins, silver sets, and silver medals. This is by Mike Unser, October 16, 2020, 1884. Now, the United States Mint raised prices Tuesday, October 13, on its suite of numismatic silver products. Prices affected include American Silver Eagles, silver proof sets, 5-ounce silver coins, and silver medals. Several of the products have now seen more than one increase this year, and what this year is 2020, okay, when compared to what they would have cost in 2019. Now, those released last year are also now higher. Total pricing increases range from $9.50 to $75.05. The differences between product prices and their silver melt values currently range from $35.16 to $139.86. Yikes. And I bet that would be a whole lot more if it was today's 1880. What? Yeah, you said it right there. Okay, now watch this. The U.S. Mint released last week a statement on Facebook and Twitter about its new pricing strategy, saying, in part, in order for the United States Mint to cover rising costs, meet its fiduciary responsibility to operate at no net cost to taxpayers, and return money to the Treasury General Fund, resetting silver prices is necessary. Okay, sounds reasonable. The Mint's goal as a fiscally responsible self-funded federal agency is to always provide the best quality numismatic products while maintaining fair prices. I can agree with that statement. That's fantastic. Thank you for looking out for us. That's called value. Now, the first objective is to ensure that the numismatic portfolio, all of the product lines together, be self-sufficient and cover all associated costs. The new silver prices reflect a sound business decision aimed at meeting these obligations. No tax dollars are used to fund that's like the second time they've said that. They're really leaning on that pretty hard. And two paragraphs, they've said it like maybe 3 times. Now, the United States Mint will continue to look for optimization and cost reduction efforts to deliver superior quality numismatic products at a fair price. They said that again, fair price. Okay, all right, that's reiteration. The following table lists U.S. Mint's silver products for collectors. Each of their price increases, their total price increase in price, their new price, and the price above the melt value of the silver they contain. So prices above the silver spot, and I think that is down here, based on October 16th LBMA silver price of $24.36 an ounce. And where are we today, folks? 18 what? Yeah, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. That's like $6 above where we're $6 lower than this, okay? Just about $6, maybe 5 and 5.80, whatever, okay? But still, I mean, that's a lot. What is that? 25% of the price of silver? 30% of the price of silver right now? Okay, so if the silver has gone down that much, why are we still paying these outrageous prices? Because check this out. Now, January increases for 2020, they were pretty modest. They were pretty mild. And that's pretty much what the Mint does every January. They're like, yeah, they look over their stuff and they're like, yeah, these ones, we could probably have to, increase the price on that. All right. And there was no other products that they increased, okay, for January. And if the Mint does raise prices, they're going to do it in January. They did it with the bronze medals a year and a half ago or so. Now, here's the April increases. Now, if we look at the silver price charts for April, okay, we know for sure this is BC, this is DC, and here's AC. You know what that's mean if you hang around the show. All right, here we are in March 11, 2020, but they did a price increase in, from December where it was 16, 17 bucks, okay, to January where it's $18. So, maybe they're a soothsayer, maybe they saw that silver was going to be going up, so they raised their price on only three numismatic items, okay? However, the April increases, okay, and why they increased in April, I don't know, because check this out. Here we go, Friday, January, February, March, April. Whoops, it looks like April kind of bottomed out. April was about $15, okay? So why would the Mint raise prices in April, okay, if silver was $3 lower than it was when they raised prices in the beginning of the year in January. Doesn't make sense, doesn't add up, right? Now, let's go here to October increases, and these were the most robust increases that year. Oh boy, it was brutal. They raised the price of the silver proof set $41 in October, and it was $105. They raised the 5 ounce silver medal or silver coin. Yeah, it was a $229 piece at that point, and they don't make those anymore. And I hope they do bring them back. That'd be nice. But look at these increases, total increase for the year, and these are the October increases. And let's face it, folks, this is $24.36 an ounce. That's why these prices. But we still have this price, this price, this price, and all of these other prices for these items, even though silver has come down 25-30% from these highs that we saw. Okay, now how does the mint price their silver? I mean, how do they price their precious metals? All right, well, it seems if you go here, established price increase, this is the Federal Register. Okay, I was bumping around this yesterday. A notice by the United States Mint on 10/8/2020. All right, it says agency, United States Mint, Department of the Treasury. This is the action. It's a notice. The summary, the United States Mint announcing pricing, and they have all of the new prices, the retail prices here. Okay, so if the price of the numismatic products at the United States Mint is going to go down, I would imagine we'll see it here first at the Federal Register. And I do hope that we see some kind of notice, okay, some kind of action that's a notice that's going to be saying that the Mint is lowering the prices of their silver numismatic products. And it says here, how do you price your products? Because let's face it, that's a question that all of us should be asking, especially since silver's come down so dramatically, okay? And it says here, answer ID 102, and it says here, United States Mint works on a cost recovery basis. Oh boy, what's that? Cost recovery is a method of accounting, okay, which is a business only records revenue it earns from a transaction at the time that the client has paid enough of the invoice that the business has recouped what? All of its costs in the transaction. Wow, that's intense. Now, we cannot use any tax dollars to fund our numismatic operations. Our goal is to provide the best quality numismatic products while keeping prices as low as practicable. That's awesome. Thanks for that. And there they go with the tax dollars again. Our prices must be self-sufficient and cover all of the associated costs of our numismatic portfolio, plus enough margin to cushion against volatility. To achieve self-sufficiency, we determine the estimated cost to produce and sell the product. That price is used as our baseline. Now, to calculate margin, we ask ourselves questions like, okay, and there's 4 bullet points here, and this is just to calculate margin. I'm sure there's a bunch of other questions they ask themselves. Now, it says here, are the proposed prices of this product consistent with similar products we offer of this type? Now, will the customer perceive this as a good value? Are we reaching as many customers as we can? Should we sell at this price? Meaning, are we going to price ourselves out of the market? If we do not sell all of a specific product, is there enough budgeted for proper disposition, recovery, melting, and recycling? So they have to have enough money to, well, put these things to rest, so to speak. Now, pricing for precious metal numismatic products, e.g. palladium, platinum, 24 karat gold, 22 karat gold, varies by the average cost of the underlying metal. We use our pricing range table, and I'll show you that the week prior to sale in order to determine the product's price. If the average weekly price of the precious metal moves up or down into another cost range, the price of the product will also go up or down respectively by a fixed amount. Okay, and I'll show you that fixed amount. You'll find detailed pricing instructions here. If you find the Adobe Reader, if you need it, you can click here. Now, United States Mint's numismatic programs are self-sustaining and operate at no cost to the taxpayer. There they go, leaning on that one again. Any excess funds are returned to the Treasury General Fund to reduce the annual budget deficit of the federal government. And I do appreciate that. Thank you. Now, let's go here to the pricing grid. All right. There we go. This is for the precious metals. All right. And I do believe that silver is a precious metal last time I checked. But as you can read in that statement by the Mint, they don't have silver in that particular statement. And that kind of gets me a little worried that they don't think silver is a precious metal. I wonder what category they put it in, because really, I mean, look, if they are not, I believe it should be on a pricing grid. And what a pricing grid is, and that's real easy here. All right, let's say gold is in the range between $900 and $949.99. And you wanted to buy an American Eagle gold proof at 1 ounce. Okay, the gold 1 ounce proof coin, you're going to spend $1,800. Well, if gold goes up to, past that $949.99 and goes to like $951, you're going to pay $1,850. So it went up $50. Okay. Well, what I'd like to see on here, and which I don't, well, we're in the wild world of sports, silver. And why doesn't the United States Mint have a pricing grid for silver? What's up with that? Come on now. That just seems really off base. Really. I mean, I don't understand it. I don't understand it. Now let's go to the plus ones here today. Now, why was 6 afraid of 7? Because 7, 8, and 9. Watch out for 7. Yeah. Now, don't give up on this year. All right. Keep fighting for the good. Keep showing up. Keep loving. Keep giving back. Keep being kind. Keep being brave. Keep caring. And don't be severe. Yeah, that's right. Severe. I added that one at the end myself. And now off to 95.9 KOIN Coin News Radio. This is Cake Distance official HD video. Hope you enjoy, folks. So there it is. That's all I got for you today. Hope to see you there this morning and this evening. And if you're unable to make it, that's okay. We hope that you are there in spirit. Yes. So here we go. I'm going to get my paper so I can say farewell, adieu, adios. And that's all. Thanks for watching, folks. Thanks for dropping by. Don't forget to hit that like button. And if you do like what you hear and see, please subscribe to the channel. It's free. Son of a Silver Stacker, out.